I have had the good fortune of being able to organically discover and not plan my life.
Please welcome incredible, versatile actor Zahan Kapoor.
बहुत चाह रहा था यार ये काम. I really wanted it to work out. And then you're like, yeah, somebody comes and says, I know it really mattered to you. And you say, यार बहुत दर्द हो रहा है, काश होता है. I said, हाँ, दर्द तो है.
Accept and process.
Accept and process more than because life doesn't always go to plan.
Till the age of 15, you did not want to become an actor, and then life had its twists and turns.
A story should feel surprising yet inevitable. And I think maybe the story of my life is also surprising yet inevitable.
So, in this journey, what were the challenges and also the opportunities?
I think the challenges were to try and navigate it in a way that felt honest and authentic. मेरे लिए वो था कि मुझे डर लगा था, मुझे लगा कि मुझे मौका ज़रूर मिल सकता है, उसके लिए मैं लायक कैसे बनूं? The things that you don't get sometimes will still impact things you do get later on.
Welcome to Unplanned Life with me, Ambika Singh Kama. Today, our guest is someone who grew up in the filmy world and he was surrounded by the magic of movies. Ironically, he never wanted to become an actor, but destiny had some other plans. And when he embraced it, he took it to another level with his impressive performances. So please welcome the incredible, versatile actor Zahan Kapoor.
Thank you so much.
Zahan, welcome to Unplanned Life.
Yes.
Clearly, your life has been unplanned. Like till the age of 15, you did not want to become an actor, and then life had its twists and turns.
Yeah.
When did that shift really happen?
So, I, like you said, like it's been super unplanned, and perhaps though still inevitable. There's a great writing advice, like an adage that I have been told, which is a story should feel surprising yet inevitable. And I think maybe the story of my life is also surprising yet inevitable. So I got interested in filmmaking and film production around the age of 14, 15. I did not take acting seriously at all. I thought I didn't want to act. I was interested in making movies and
Behind
telling
the scenes.
stories. Yes. And it was around the age of 19, 20, if, in fact, where I started to think about acting, and it was through a workshop I did. So both sides have their own organic stories. Before which I was introduced to horses and horse riding at the age of 10 by my father, and he basically encouraged me and my sister to learn how to ride, and I took to it very quickly and really enjoyed it. और फिर मैंने पोलो खेलना
शुरू
सीखा
किया. And you
और
won
शुरू
quite
किया
a,
and
yes, you've
and
done
did
really well in that.
amazingly well. I mean, I had a really good career in polo. Unfortunately, कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ऐसा लगा कि ये सीमित है ये दुनिया, मतलब पोलो की दुनिया जो है, और इंडिया में ख़ास तौर से.
So you wanted to explore.
एंड आई वांटेड टू एक्सप्लोर, एंड अंदर से वो एक क्रिएटिविटी की जो भूख होती है, एक वो कुछ बनाने के लिए, कुछ पेश करने के लिए उसकी जो भूख है वो अधूरी रहती. तो फिर आई मीन वो काम मेरा अधूरा रहता. तो आई वांटेड टू परस्यू समथिंग क्रिएटिव, एंड आई थिंक आई वाज स्टार्टिंग टू राइट स्टोरीज इन स्कूल एंड क्रिएटिव राइटिंग में. एंड देन मैंने एक शॉर्ट फिल्म लिखी और फिर उसको मैंने बनाया विथ माई फ्रेंड, एंड माई फादर टॉट मी बेसिक्स ऑफ फिल्म मेकिंग. तो वहाँ से फिर मैंने शुरू किया, एंड ही इनकरेज मी टू स्टार्ट वर्किंग. तो 16 साल की उम्र से मैंने समर्स में मैंने असिस्ट करना शुरू किया, एंड फिर
पर वो भी behind the camera था.
बिहाइंड द कैमरा, सब कुछ बिहाइंड द कैमरा. और फिर 17 साल की उम्र से मैंने फुल टाइम काम करना शुरू किया, बिकॉज आई वाज रियली पैशनेट अबाउट फिल्म मेकिंग और एडवर्टाइजिंग की दुनिया में ज़्यादा. तो नॉट इन द फिल्मी वर्ल्ड सो टू स्पीक. एंड बैकग्राउंड में पृथ्वी वाज देयर, बैकग्राउंड में प्लेस थे, बट उस मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया सीरियसली. And then my aunt at the time was working at Prithvi, and my bua Sanjana, and she said, "Why don't you go and participate in and assist this director Sunil Chanbag, who's doing a children's workshop in Prithvi, summertime Prithvi mein?" And said ki just to learn little bit, it's good
Yeah,
to inform.
to
But
know
you're
what-
learning,
yeah.
you're learning about the direction, and you want to be a storyteller. अच्छी बात है, लेकिन परफॉर्मर को समझना भी ज़रूरी है, उनका प्रोसेस को समझना ज़रूरी है, एक्टिंग क्या चीज़ है वो समझना ज़रूरी है. एंड because of that workshop he asked me to participate कुछ exercises, basic exercises में,
Acting exercise.
acting, imagination, speech, body language वगैरह वगैरह कुछ exercises थे. and उनकी वजह से I think I thought कि यार यहाँ पे भी मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है. और
So you found New love, could I say, or
A
you
new
realize
love,
it could be a
yes,
it
yes.
could be an opening?
It wasn't. Yes, I had a realization and a new love and said कि यार, and I'm a very nerdy person, तो मुझे सीखना पसंद है और मैं सवाल करता हूँ, तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि चलो ठीक है, अगर मज़ा आ रहा है तो सीखने की
और
कोशिश
अंदर
करते
घुस
हैं
जाओ,
और
या
अंदर घुस
या
जा.
या
तो that started the journey
तो
and
एक्सीडेंटल था, but you
very
grew up,
accident.
you know, a family of artists हैं,
Yes,
you know, you grew up. So how much did that influence, like you said, your बुआ, you know, Sanjana told you go for this. But
yeah.
अगर हम बात करें where you're today, I mean, your performances, we'll get to the commercial as well, which is, you know, had some great reviews. कितना आपके family background, how much has that influenced where you are today?
Hugely influenced. I'm lucky to be nurtured in a creative space. Encouraged. उसकी एक अहमियत दी गई थी बहुत पहले से creativity की. So that is a blessing. So घर पे creative arts को pursue करना, उसकी लड़ाई कभी नहीं हुई. हालांकि वहाँ encouragement ही मिला मुझे, support मिला. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि and to be introduced and exposed to all kinds of art and culture, to be encouraged, you know, and the setting the standard, so it's come from generations and then it has been encouraged, like you don't take it for granted, मतलब don't feel entitled also, तो वो सीख जरूर मिली.
पर
And
आपने ये कहा don't feel entitled, you know, you also believe that because you have, you know, you've come from a family of, you know, when it comes to legacy की बात करें, but
yes,
Zahan, you've always said that you wanted to create a niche or, you know, carve that अपने अपने बलबूते पे you always
yes,
wanted to
yes,
do
yes.
something. So in this journey, you know, keeping that in mind with that context, what were the challenges and also the opportunities, like by being कि मैंने खुद से खुद करना है?
I think the challenges were to try and navigate it in a way that felt honest and authentic. um, For example, फिल्म प्रोडक्शन में मुझे बताया गया कि जाओ असिस्ट करो, स्टार्ट एट द बॉटम, बी अ रनर, मतलब जस्ट फिगर आउट थिंग्स बेसिक लेवल पे, बिल्कुल नीचे से, एंड देन धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ो एंड लाइक इन मोस्ट फील्ड्स, राइट, यू आर टोल्ड टू राइज.
So you weren't entitled. You weren't
या
कि मतलब
एज अ फिल्म
yeah
मेकर एंड
yeah.
प्रोडक्शन में, यू नो, जंप इन द डीप एंड गेट योर हैंड्स डर्टी, आज भी करता हूँ, आज भी एट पृथ्वी एंड थिंग्स, स्पेशली सेटअप चल रहा है, कैमरा लगाओ, ये करो, डेकोरेशंस हो रहा है, चढ़ो सीढ़ी पे, ये सब बेसिक लॉजिस्टिकल प्लानिंग, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, टीम वर्क, वो सब उसको फैसिलिटेट करना, उसमें खुद शामिल होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. अचानक से एक्टिंग में ये मुझे इसकी गुंजाइश नहीं दी गई थी कि नहीं, अगर तुम in our industry it's so strange and I feel so sad thinking about how you are not allowed to start small and then grow big. Very few actors have had that journey.
Yeah,
या तो आप
it's
लीड,
challenging, हाँ.
आप मेन लीड्स में कंसिडर किए जाओगे या तो नहीं, and that is so sad. So अचानक से I had to pivot and navigate with different advice. मतलब यहाँ पे एक तरफ आप बोल रहे हो कि नीचे से शुरू करो और वैसे सीखोगे, वैसे कॉन्फिडेंस आता है, और यहाँ पे बोल रहे हो वैसे मत करो, अरे फिर कॉन्फिडेंस, हाँ तो फिर सॉरी कॉन्फिडेंस कैसे आएगा, फिर मैं कैसे करूँगा. सो दैट वाज द लड़ाई. एंड मेरे लिए वो था कि मुझे डर लगा था, मुझे लगा कि मुझे मौका ज़रूर मिल सकता है, अच्छा मौका बुरा मौका वो पता नहीं, लेकिन मौका मिल सकता है. उसके लिए मैं लायक कैसे बनूँ, मैं काबिल कैसे बनूँ.
You wanted to prove yourself.
And because I didn't want to take a chance, I didn't want to take a chance on someone else कि ये मतलब आपकी पिक्चर है, आपकी कहानी है, वो चल गई नहीं चली वो आपके ऊपर है, लेकिन अगर मुझे
So
ब्लेम किया
clearly you
जाएगा तो
didn't
क्या.
let anybody down.
I didn't want to, let's
You
say.
didn't want to, your heart didn't want to, but clearly you haven't when we talk about your performances. लेकिन आपने confidence की बात की Zahan. You've spoken also, I was reading, also you've been very open about anxiety.
Yeah.
You know, for an actor, I mean, or even in your industry, if I put it that way, mental health is again a huge, I mean, it's with everybody. I think with each
You know-
one of us, we see adolescents, you know, we've just seen that series. But how do you deal with it, and why is it important to come out and speak about mental health?
I think everything we're dealing with is important to speak about on some level. Being an actor in this industry, we're judged and rejected so much. You know, the amount of rejections, the amount of things that have happened along the way, and that never gets spoken about. And you have to, matlab, you have to develop this tough, you know, kind of outer layer of keep, you know, be strong and go through it. Rejection pe rejection, rejection pe rejection, not good enough, not this enough, not that enough. And फिर भी you have to be vulnerable and open and honest, and you know, you have to share
It's
the most
tough.
deepest intimate sides of yourself. तो मतलब
Balance भी करना
अजीब
उसको,
विडंबना है
yeah,
ना
yeah.
ये. So I have found it's really important to maintain your sense of presence. And I think maybe as an actor, this is also a unique thing, is that because we know how uncertain our lives are, the work is so uncertain, regularized salaried बात नहीं है, right? वो security नहीं होती है इस field में, uncertainty है ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. I think that teaches you to be very zen, to be very in the present moment. I love this one saying, which is, there's only one dish ever to wash. मतलब बर्तन अगर मांज रहे हो तो कई सारे हो सकते हैं, लेकिन एक वक्त पे आप सिर्फ एक ही मांज सकते हो. तो फिर that is that act of just being present to one thing. It may feel overwhelming, and that happens often, and it's very difficult. Sometimes you get
बट आप
overwhelmed.
एक चीज पे उस टाइम फोकस कर सकते हो. आई
It
थिंक बहुत अच्छी
teaches
तरह
you
आपने
that.
एक्सप्लेन किया.
Yeah, I think it teaches you that. And if we can do that, I think anxiety and all of these stresses are consequences of us being in the past or in the future, na?
So live in the moment, live in the present. Yeah, it's important to
it's
live in the present.
important, and it's very difficult. It's very, very difficult because you need to also imagine the future, and you need to learn from your past. You need to constantly learn and hone those things, those lessons. तो पता नहीं ये
It is, I mean,
paradoxical
yeah,
है.
and or especially I think if I say it in your line, I mean the creative world, हर level पे है, but it becomes difficult. Like you said, it's contradictory, and also you're putting your smarter, bigger, stronger self, but अंदर से तो it's the same, सबका same दिल है, सबका same,
हम सब इंसान हैं,
इंसान है,
भाव वही हैं,
and it's
needs
how,
वही है.
yeah, and sometimes you'll obviously put in the limelight, but coming on to Black Warrant.
Yes.
Amazing. I loved the series. Gripping, thought-provoking. What made you take up that role, and how did you prepare for it? Because it definitely wasn't easy.
It was very interesting. एक तो मुझे सीधा कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर के ऑफिस से फ़ोन आया, कंसिडरेशन मिला. मुकेश छाबड़ा सर हैज़ बीन अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, let's say, vote of confidence for me throughout. In fact, the first time I had auditioned for him was many years back for The Forgotten Army. एक सीरीज़ आई थी, उसके लिए मैंने ऑडिशन दिया था. मुझे नहीं मिला पार्ट, बट ही सॉ दैट ऑडिशन, और तब से उनको कुछ तो लगा कि ही वाज लाइक, नहीं, आई लाइक दिस, आई लाइक योर टेस्ट, मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, इसमें कुछ तो बात है. एंड क्वाइटली, विदाउट मी डूइंग एनी काइंड ऑफ chamchagiri to him or whatever it is, he just quietly has been a supporter and recommended my name forward when he felt it was appropriate. So he had reached out through his casting assistant Bheem, and Sanjay Bishnoi sir was there, and they basically just auditioned the part with me, and it was the audition of the interview, the first scene of the series. So it was very meta in that sense. I was giving an audition for an audition, in a sense. So
the first
and and honestly, it was just an opportunity जिसमें विक्रम सर's name was attached, and मुझे बस बताया गया था कि एक बुक पे बेस्ड है, ये एक अजीब सी कहानी है अबाउट अ जेलर. तो मुझे लगा कि यार ये काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग तो लग रहा है, एंड जैसे तैसे मुझे ये ऑडिशन तो देना है. आई वांट टू गिव माय बेस्ट एफर्ट एंड सी. So that's what led to it. I did not know anything more than this.
But see, it's interesting. I mean, like whether you say unplanned, जैसे हम कहते हैं uncertainty की आपने बात की, that we need to accept it. But आपने जो तब audition दिया था, I think you had made an impact उस time.
वही तो,
and then he came back to you. So what things were meant to happen?
Exactly. So it's so strange, and he had also recommended me for Faraz. I mean, Hansal sir saw me, and Hansal sir had asked Mukesh Chhabra sir कि कैसा है ये, and he had said नहीं, उन्होंने मेरी सिफारिश की, बोला नहीं बहुत अच्छा है. So interesting ना, कि the things that you don't get sometimes will still impact things you do get later on.
That's what we say, right? Sometimes things are meant to be better for us. I mean, maybe if you'd done that then, you'd got the expertise. But आपने फराज के बारे में बात की.
Yes.
Rave reviews it had.
Yes.
What took you 3 years to come back?
I didn't take 3 years. I was working. मैंने एक Amazon Prime के लिए सीरीज की उस बीच.
वो भी बहुत अच्छी थी.
नहीं, Amazon Prime की सीरीज अब तक बाहर नहीं आई है.
क्यों? एक तो आपकी Amazon Prime.
नहीं, कुछ नहीं.
So अच्छा, you were working. Okay.
That's what I'm saying. So मैंने पहले 2019 में एक नाटक किया, पिताजी प्लीज. मकरंद देशपांडे सर ने डायरेक्ट किया नाटक को और लिखा भी. उसमें स्वानंद किरकिरे सर एक्टिंग कर रहे थे. उसके बाद मैंने फराज की, उसके बाद मैंने एक शॉर्ट फिल्म की, उसके बाद मैंने ऑडिशन दिया. टेस जोसेफ कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर है फॉर एन अमेजॉन वेब सीरीज़. बैंड वाले नाम है सीरीज़ की. सीरीज़ का नाम है बैंड वाले, और मैंने वो सीरीज़ की 2022-23 में. एंड उसके बाद मैंने नाटक किया सियाचन 2023 में, और उसके बाद मैंने ब्लैक वॉरंट का ऑडिशन दिया. तो उस बीच मैं काम कर रहा था ज़रूर,
But
वो
हम
बाहर नहीं आया।
नहीं देख पाए.
हाँ, वो अब शायद आने वाला है।
Okay.
I'm hoping.
Okay, so chalo, we had that 3 years, and I think that made the viewers or the audience
Yes.
wait. You know, ki we're
Yes.
waiting to watch you. Acha, now I have an ethics exam, so
Yes.
I want to feel like a teacher. Okay, but you've done really well when it comes to everything else. So now I'm going to ask you. Thoda sa sorry, I'll have to. Thodi aankhein, and I've left my specs. Okay, Zahan, as an actor, you're offered a role that requires you to portray a character with beliefs or values that contradict your own. How do you navigate the situation?
It's a very important question, and I think I am excited because my job requires me to um, develop this skill, which is to empathize with someone and not necessarily still agree. So I may not agree with someone's, let's say, moral worldview, but to empathize with them, to learn how to empathize and to see through the character is the task.
Yeah, which is your job.
Which is my job. And I'm very lucky to be in that position. I think often we don't give ourselves that liberty only because we're so upset. कि आप कैसे सोच सकते हो ऐसे, तो ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता, ये गलत बात है तुरंत. we're only thinking about our perspective and our judgment, but can I see through the eyes of the other? And that is such an interesting thing to see कि उनको क्या दिख रहा है, किरदार को क्या दिख रहा है. मुझे लग रहा है ये बुरा काम कर रहा है, लेकिन उनको क्या दिख रहा है, उनको तो थ्रेट दिख रहा है.
Look at it that way.
Yeah,
So
उनको,
I think that's
yeah.
really well answered and
So
very
that
thoughtfully answered. Let me
thank
put
you,
it that way.
thank you. And I think it's a unique thing to be in this position.
No, and like you rightly said, I mean, you're at least appreciating it that you're lucky. Okay, Zahan, you're asked to endorse a product that you don't personally use or believe in. What considerations do you weigh before making a decision?
This is also a good question. I would like to try and be genuine and authentic and have that integrity कि अगर मैं कुछ endorse कर रहा हूँ, at some level I should be open and understanding. For example, it can be related to the idea of, let's say it can be something like alcohol also, which there are a lot of health risks involved. There are a lot of conditions that need to be aware of. It is legal though, and there's a social custom around it, and you can enjoy a drink, but drink responsibly. So I think there's a way to be communicative.
So put the right message out there.
The right
Even if you
message,
have to,
the
yeah.
right message can still be subjective. तो मुझे लगता है कि can I give my authentic voice to something? So I'm saying
So
कि look,
amazing to hear youngsters like you talk so wisely. I don't know what we were when we were young, but clearly, I mean, hats off to you. Okay, would you rather have like a star role, like a starring role in a big budget Bollywood film, or a critically acclaimed film?
both.
Both. So getting greedy here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, why not? I want to be able to do big commercial films because I feel like we can connect and reach and impact so many more people एक साथ ही. And I think sometimes एक कहानी की मांग होती है, एक कहानी की एक जगह होती है which maybe only works in a more intimate, critical world. I mean, not critical, but like an independent kind of market. And that's just what it is. For example, that's why also I do theatre. Theatre is intimate and restricted in the present moment. It can only happen there. But cinema, you can impact everyone.
So that's where you're critically acclaimed, and maybe your family ka jo, I mean, that also, I think, obviously, that's why you also say both. I think
Yeah.
kahin na kahin wo bhi.
And family,
Yeah.
like, look at my
Yeah, of
Rajaji,
course,
right? Look
yeah.
at him being able to do a film like a Junoon and a Silsila,
Yeah.
around the same time. To do a film or a Silsila and a Kalyug, around the
No,
same time.
I mean, I totally get that. So, okay, we let you choose both. Would
Yeah.
you prioritize
Thank you.
honesty or diplomacy when sharing your genuine opinion about a friend's film, potentially hurting their feelings? Like, aap jao, would you tell them achhi hai, nahi hai, or would you be a little, how would you react? Would you just say कि नहीं यार
I'm
नहीं?
learning something very interesting now about this. It's a very interesting question क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि honesty in the name of brutality is not necessarily. Basically, you're saying कि I don't have the capacity to be tactful and considerate of how something will impact you as long as I'm being honest, which means that I'm not being considerate. So what is your value? I think there is a way to be communicative and find the space कि are you ready? Do you want my opinion or do you want my reaction right now? And where is my focus? Is my focus on me supporting you as a friend, me acknowledging कि आपका effort मुझे दिख रहा है, या are you asking for my opinion and my
Honest opinion.
criticism?
Yeah.
What are you asking for? I think ये समझना जरूरी. तो ये बहुत contextual है, thin line है, and yet I would like to believe that there is a way to be honest about myself without being judgmental. For example, there's a difference of me saying that I think your article is shit. Or I can say, I read your article and I found myself lacking something. I did not enjoy it in the way I expected. So I'm reflecting to you my experience.
Yeah.
I'm not criticizing and judging your work.
But
You
fair
see what I'm
enough,
saying?
yeah. But and you, like you rightly said, you need to know. Okay, now quickly, you've done really well in the ethics exam. Congratulations.
Thank
We
you.
don't have a hamper, but still well done. Yeah. Okay, so quickly, I'm going to ask you a few
Please,
questions.
please, please,
I know you're very fond of horse riding.
Yes.
Like you said, even polo. आपने horses से क्या सीखा है?
Again, to be present, they are very subtle communicators. Unlike dogs, I think, which are more expressive, horses are much more subtle. So to stay present and this relationship, there's nothing else in this world where you are able to sit on another living being and communicate and have this relationship. And it's incredible. I think mankind would not be what it is without horses.
Okay, so yeah, I mean, clearly also your love for horses, and I think you've put that really well. आपने ocean की भी बात की है, Zahan,
Ocean
and
is
the calm
also-
it brings to you.
the
So
calm it
how does
brings-
it resonate with your personality?
The calm it brings. And then recently, over the last 10 years, I've picked up surfing. And surfing is a beautiful metaphor for life. Waves come and go. You have to wait often at times. Some big waves comes. Eventually, you do wipe out, which means you fall off the board, but you learn how to get back on it. And it's a combination of effort and relaxation. You have to put in some amount of effort, and yet you have to let go and relax. You cannot be totally dominant,
Yeah.
and you cannot be totally submissive. You have to find a balance, and then you can ride the wave, or you get crushed underneath it,
And
or
then-
you'll never,
Yeah.
and you can't, by your force of will, you can't do anything. So it's a beautiful act of balance. And
Balance. Okay, again, really well said, Zahan. Okay, rapid fire at 30 seconds.
Chalo,
में.
chalo, chalo.
If you were a pizza topping, what would it be and why?
Pepperoni, because it's the best pizza topping.
Okay. What's the weirdest food combination you've ever tried in life?
Weirdest food combination?
मैं अपना पहले बता देती हूँ, pineapple on a pizza.
I'm not a big fan of pineapple on pizza. I know what
But
you mean.
now that you can't take mine.
Okay, weirdest food combination. I had, I don't know what's coming to mind. I mean, I tried chicken feet in Singapore once. It was like, whatever, it was not such a fan.
Wasn't a combination, but you didn't enjoy it.
मतलब ठीक था, मुझे ऐसा
ठीक था.
इतना कुछ नहीं
Okay,
लगा.
craziest thing you've ever done on a whim.
Went on a 10-day road trip with two of my friends through Rajasthan with no plan.
Okay, so unplanned, totally
Unplanned.
planned. And was it fun?
Amazing. One of the best trips of my
So
life.
unplanned things can be fun.
Unplanned things amazing. Without any plan कि बस मुद्दा था कि बस हम
चलो राजस्थान, बस चलो.
चलो और हाईवे पे ड्राइव करेंगे, अच्छे लोकेशंस के थ्रू ड्राइव करेंगे, देखेंगे नज़ारा देखेंगे, एंड जहाँ जो जगह मिलेगी वहीं पे रुक जाएंगे रात में, और अगला रोज हम निकलेंगे और हाईवे पे
Fits
रहेंगे.
really well with our podcast name as well.
Explore.
Okay, Zahan, what's the best advice you've ever received from a family member? एक word में.
Keep at it.
Keep at it. Okay. In our school, my motto was never given. So yeah, very similar. What's the most spontaneous song you've ever danced to?
Spontaneous. So I remember, what's coming to mind is Honeymoon Travels ka Sajjana Ji Vari Vari Na Na Ji Na. That song.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now,
One
if,
great hit song.
Zahan, if you could have a superpower for one day, what would it be and how would you use it?
I don't know what superpower. Maybe fly? I don't know. No. Yeah, maybe fly. No, actually to breathe underwater.
Okay, yeah. Because you also, your love for water. Yeah,
Yeah,
cool. And
breathe
you're also a
underwater.
good swimmer.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now if you could remake any of your grandfather's classic films, what would you choose? Which one would you choose?
I don't like remakes. I don't want to. Only because I feel like I want to create new.
Okay, and you would want that to be.
I would love to at some point be able to also champion movies in the same way my grandfather did. I would love to be able to champion movies and tell stories in the way Raj Saab did. So at some point, because also I was interested in filmmaking
Yeah,
first.
so you want to go, you have that in mind as well.
And I look at someone like Amir Khan sir, and how he champions stories. And so I'm very inspired by that.
Okay, Zahan, quickly, if you could switch lives for a day with any Hindi film actor in the industry, who would it be? And why? That's a tough one.
Switch lives. I don't
For
know.
a day?
Maybe for a day. Maybe it would be interesting to see what it's like to be Shah Rukh Khan.
And my next question, so you've again done really well on the rapid fire. Well done.
Thank
My
you.
next question, because you said Shah Rukh Khan, abhi wo commercial
Yes,
which you've done,
thumbs
it's
up.
amazing. It's come out really well. I mean, you've obviously seen, the way masses are reacting.
Yeah.
What did you learn from him? What inspired you?
The most incredible thing I think is, one is when he arrives on set, he's the king of aura also. and also staying present in that moment, and like he engages with you so fully. um I I was amazed that he's 60, I think, pretty much, right? Almost. He arrives on set and he demystifies everything, and then he's at your service. He does not, मतलब
So
आपको,
full attention.
हाँ, full attention, full presence. डायरेक्टर को जितने टेक्स चाहिए, जो भी है करना होगा. And the ad, I mean, it was a very challenging ad
Yeah,
because
and you wore your own
wet.
shorts for it.
Yeah, I wore my own
I
shorts
saw
for it.
that.
I'm very happy to hear all the research you've done. Thank you. Thank you very much. Shahrukh sir is so available to you and to the work he's doing in the moment. He's so there that it just goes to show that after all these years, once he's committed, his integrity of what his job is so clear.
So he gives you 100%.
He gives you 100%, and it was wet, the conditions. He had just finished. He had had eye surgery some time before, and we're in this water tank, and there's big wind machines, and there's flashing lights, and the water spraying into your eyes and stuff. But he's there. He's at it. He's not. There's no nakhras. There's no whining.
So that's
there's no,
what you learn from him. I mean,
yeah,
like
look at
giving
him,
it in your
and after
best.
all
And
these
considering
years,
he's Shah Rukh Khan.
and after all these years, and his body, he's put it through the ringer. You know, he's really tested it, and still he's there. Still he has
No,
that
what
energy.
an ad. I mean, it's just amazing. But Zahan, it's really been a pleasure to have you. And
Thank
like I
you.
earlier also said, it's just so interesting the way you've reacted, you've spoken to us. Just lastly, a question.
Yes.
When people struggling, when their life doesn't go the way it's planned, a message you would like to give for them. Because very often we said, ye nahi hua. Like so many times, acha, hard mission nahi hui. Kids, in every phase of our life, somewhere we feel ki ye kyon nahi hua. A message you would like to give.
I feel I would really like for all of us to learn maybe how to grieve these things better.
Handle the situation better?
It's not about handling the situation, because when life does not go according to the plan, we have hopes and expectations and dreams. And when it doesn't happen, it's really painful. And going through that grief is important. We get dismissed very quickly. I think if we can fully accept it, we might be able to process it. If we understand that, yaar, I really wanted, not why me, तो वो सवाल, I think उसमें हम बन जाते हैं, उसमें हम फंस जाते हैं, वो दलदल की तरह होता है. But I think if we realize कि यार मैं बहुत चाह रहा था यार ये काम, I really wanted it to work out. And then you're like, yeah, somebody comes and says, I know, it really mattered to you. And you say कि यार बहुत दर्द हो रहा है यार, काश होता. I said, हाँ, दर्द तो है. And when you
So
process that grief.
Accept and process.
Accept and process more than, because life doesn't always go to plan. Is that saying is there, na? God laughs at those who make plans. or
Yeah,
something. ऐसा
yeah.
कुछ है.
Man proposes, God. There's so many of
ऐसा,
them,
हाँ,
right? और
मतलब
जो
ऐसा-
लिखा है अच्छे के लिए ही लिखा है.
Exactly.
So,
अच्छे
yeah,
लोगों ने
no,
लिखा. I don't want to kind of butcher
And
it.
like we see that in your case, actor nahi banna tha, and today you're
Yeah.
sitting here with us, amazing performances.
Yeah.
But it's really been a pleasure to have you with us on
Thank
NDTV
you.
on Unplanned Life. Thank you, Zahan.
Thank you for having me. I'm so happy. Thank you so much.